For this video, we're going to put back together a Choremaster walk behind that I painted all up. The first step to do is put the tire in. So you're going to put your axle and your bushing.
Who's that down there?
Okay. Now, we'll put our keyway in for our gear. Slide the gear on. Okay, we got our gear in. Now we're going to put our drive shaft in. Put our engine mount on now. We'll put the pulley on and the keyway in it. We're going to put the clutch mechanism on. You have to put it on at the same time as you put the side frame cover on. Stick it inside there.
Make sure that little finger goes down in there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you're in.
Just hold it right there. Putting the hitch mount on now. This attaches with 4 Allen head bolts. I'm going to put the handlebar cross member on here now.
Pizza's here.
So we got the engagement rod attached. The original one was all rusted out, so I had to make this one. Disengages it and engages it good. I'm gonna put the gear cover on now. Okay, so we got everything back together. We got our throttle cable on. Probably gonna call this a video.